This is a quick video on teaching you how to interpret a circle graph. So it's very quick. Okay, so we have a problem here that says the graph below shows the types of pets Sienna's coworkers have. And we could see that there's different fractions given to this circle graph depending on the pet. Okay, so it says here arrange the numbers from most type of pet to least type of pet. So we could see, we can look at the label for each section of the graph. Now write the labels in order from greatest to least. That's all we have to do. So we know that this one is the biggest. So 2/5 is the biggest amount. We know this is the greatest. So let's put that first. And then we know 2/5 is greater than 3/10 because this section is much bigger than this section. Okay? Then we know that 3/10 is greater than 1/5. Okay? The next one is birds, so 1/5 comes next. And then we have 1/10. 1/5 is greater than 1/10. 1/10 is they have no pets at all. So this is how you would write this fraction and interpret this circle graph in terms of greatest to least. Okay, and that's very simple to do. And don't worry if you don't get that right away, you could just rewatch the video and take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. And don't forget, you could always download the ebook too. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.